But let's pick our football team.
Hiya, Justin. Okay, here comes Mike. He's quite good at football, but there's one small problem.
What's that?
He's blue. I mean, who wants someone who's blue on their football team?
Yeah, you're right. We don't want him on our team.
There's Dan.
Well, he's not much better than Mike. He's purple.
We all know what people with purple hair are like.
Yeah, they have fiery tempers, and who knows what he might do in the match.
So we'd better not have him. Who's next?
Heidi.
Oh yeah, Justin, mate. We have got to have her.
You're only saying that because you fancy her.
No, I don't. Well, maybe. What I mean is, she'll look really good on the field, really sporty and all.
All right, we'll have her, but we don't want him.
Why not?
That's Max from my class. He's a real boffin, always on his computer trying to work out some formula or other.
Yeah, he's one total geek, all right.
That settles it then. Max the geek ain't coming anywhere near our team. Oh, and we definitely don't want her.
Hey, that's my sister. She's really good at football.
You're kidding me. She's like really short. How can she be good at anything sporty?
Yeah, she's short, but she is my sister, and she is good at football.
Well, if you want to stick with me and be in the most popular football team in the school, then you've got to forget about your sister. She's not coming on my team.
Well, okay.
Look, there's Tim. We've got to have Tim. He looks really cool.
Yeah, and he's got all the best stuff.
He'll be great on the team.
Oh, no, there's the vicar. You don't think he'll want to join in, do you? I bet he's never run for anything in his life.
Except the bus. The other team are welcome to him. Come on, it's time to get ready.
So, Justin and Scott were choosing their football team, weren't they? Now, hands up if you think they were picking their team in the good way. Oh, hands up if you think they were picking their team in a bad way. Bit of a split. Shall we see what happens?
I just don't believe it. How could that have happened?
9-0. How could we lose 9-0? We had all the coolest looking players.
Yeah, and who would have thought that blue kid Mike could run so fast?
Your little sister and that purple-haired guy worked really well as a team, and Max the geek was wicked at tackling.
Yeah, and even the vicar was great in goal. Who would have guessed he played for the under-18 Jamaican national team when he was young?
It's so embarrassing.
It was awful.
Our team were rubbish. Everyone was too busy showing off.
Yeah, I guess we picked people on how they looked and not on what they could do.
Well, we've learned our lesson. Next time we'll do our homework and find the right people for the team.
Come on, let's go over and congratulate them. They're having cream cakes to celebrate. Perhaps we could join in.
Hey, good idea.
Yeah.